Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make your iPhone notifications louder. To make your iPhone notifications louder, you can adjust various sound settings to increase the volume and ensure that you don't miss any important alerts. Here's how to do it. First method is to adjust the ringer and alerts volume. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on Sound and Haptics. On the ringtone and alerts, you'll see a volume slider. Drag this slider to the right to increase the volume of ringtones, notifications, and alerts. Make sure the Change with Buttons toggle is enabled if you want to use the volume buttons on the side of your iPhone to adjust the ringer and alert volume. Press the volume up button on the side of your iPhone until the volume indicator reaches the maximum level. This will increase the overall volume, including notifications. Another method, choose a louder notification sound. In the Settings app, go to Sound and Haptics or Sounds. Tap on Type of alert you want to change, such as text, tone, new mail, calendar alerts, etc. Browse through the list of available sounds and choose a louder or more distinct tone. Tap on a sound to preview it and choose one that's easy to hear. Another method, check Do Not Disturb on focus modes. Make sure Do Not Disturb or any other focus mode isn't enabled if you want to hear notifications loudly. Just go to Settings, Focus, and ensure that Do Not Disturb is turned off or customized correctly to allow notifications, or just swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to access the control center and check if focus is enabled. Last method, turn off silent mode. Make sure your iPhone isn't in silent mode. Flip the ring or silent switch on the side of your iPhone above the volume buttons to ensure it's not showing orange. This will turn off silent mode, allowing notifications to sound. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.